Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little unboxing haul of some products that I've gotten via PR. I actually have a lot of videos pre-filmed right now. I'm really not sure which order these videos are going to be going up in, but this PR haul has kind of been collecting on my counters, so I figured that I should probably just try to film this video. So in this haul, we have some clothing, some new bedding, and some skincare as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. But really quickly, I wanted to remind you guys to make sure that you're following along with me on all socials at The Urban Darling for more lifestyle content. Also check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. And if you can, please be sure to share it. That way you guys can help me grow my YouTube channel. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started with some Kiehl's skincare. So I have a small package here with their Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution with salicylic acid. I actually have been breaking out a little bit, so this is definitely something that I will give a try. Rapidly clears pimples and whiteheads, helps prevent new blackheads from forming. And this is what that product looks like. It's just this cute little bottle here. I also have this fun little box here for National Avocado Day. Not even sure what day that is. I need to look that up. Like I said, these have been kind of getting a little bit backed up over the weeks, so hopefully I didn't miss National Avocado Day. I have no idea. So very fun packaging, avocado themed packaging. And here is the bag that they sent. So inside of the bag is their avocado nourishing hydration mask. That sounds really nice. My skin has been so dry this summer. And then their creamy avocado eye treatment. Really nice size of both of these products. And I know the avocado is very moisturizing, so these came just in time for my dry skin. Next up, we have some shoes here from Birdies. They actually sent me a list with shoes to choose from. So I picked out these really cute flats. They kind of have like a woven, almost like wicker or raffia look to them, with the pointed toe, kind of like a ballerina shoe. Super cute for summer and also going into fall as well. So I thought these were a really like neutral classic shoe that would look great dressed up or dressed down. And they have a little bow at the front for a little feminine touch. So those are super cute. Next up, I have some new pieces from Grey State's fall clothing line. So they sent me the list a little early to pick out some cute pieces for fall. So it'll be a few months before I'm actually able to wear these. But I picked out two cute sweaters. So first up, I'll show you this pretty cardigan in kind of like a mocha caramel type color with pockets, long sleeves, kind of has a little high-low in the back. So kind of looks a little bit cropped in the front and a little longer in the back. So I thought this would be really cute with a tank top, t-shirt, or something like that layered underneath it. Love the color. As you guys can tell, I am very into the brown tones, earth tones. And then I also picked out this sweater with a mock neck. I think that's what you call that. And buttons up the front with these pretty gold buttons, or you can leave it unbuttoned. And we have kind of like an interesting detail here on the sleeves. They're kind of like billowy sleeves. More details here on the shoulders. So definitely a piece that would look great dressed up or down, which is something that I always kind of look for. And that's what the bottom looks like. If you guys have been following along for a while, those brands, Birdies and Grey State, are actually on the sustainable side, ethically, sustainably sourced materials and all of that, which I love and I always try to gravitate towards for skincare, clothing, all of that good stuff. And then I have one last package here to show you guys with some bedding from Parachute. Okay, so I picked out 2 new linen duvet covers. Our current linen duvet cover is like a rusty orange color, which we have had forever. So I figured it would be good to have a few options to just kind of rotate around. So we picked out this color, which is a very neutral color. It's actually called Bone. So we have this color for our fitted sheet and for our pillowcases, which I did get a few new pillowcases in that bone color because ours have a couple of rips in them. We've had them for a few years now. And also this top sheet in bone. And I actually think I might end up getting 2 more pillows and just putting these new pillowcases on those, possibly. That way we kind of have 4 pillows. I like the look of that. Right now we only have 2. So we'll see what I end up doing. And then we also picked out this color here, which is kind of like a sagey green color. This is their moss color. So 2 duvet covers, and then these colors actually look really good together. So I figured all the other sheets would be bone and then have this really pretty pop of sage green, or we could go for like an all bone neutral look. So I'm really excited about those. I've really been wanting to switch up our duvet cover for a while now, and now I have plenty of extra options. Sorry that I'm not going to actually show them to you guys on the bed in this video. I also didn't try any of these clothing items out. I just kind of wanted to do a quick haul. Like I said, I am kind of all over the place right now. We have had such a busy July. My mom actually came to visit at the end of the month, and then we had so many campaigns to shoot. So she came at the end of the month for a week, and then just the past several weeks we've been very bogged down with campaigns. We're actually a little behind on that, and I'm a little bit behind on posting my videos, so sorry about that. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and be sure to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling, and I will see you guys in my upcoming videos. Bye!